Four Seasons Healing Spice Blend. Welcome to the Herbalist channel. Today, I want to introduce you to a powerful spice blend that you can use throughout the entire year. It's called the Four Seasons Healing Spice Blend. This blend is not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits. It can help strengthen your immune system and support your digestion. You can add it to various meals, drinks, or even another great addition to this blend. Fennel seeds are amazing for your digestive health. They help reduce bloating and gas, making you feel more comfortable after meals. Fennel seeds also have a slightly sweet taste that adds a nice flavor to our blend. Anise is next in line. Anise has a calming effect on the body. It helps reduce stress and can make you feel more relaxed. Anise is also great for digestion and can help with any discomfort in your stomach. Finally, we have nutmeg. Nutmeg is a spice that can help balance your mood. It's also very good for digestion and helps support your immune system. Nutmeg has a warm, slightly sweet taste that brings everything together. Now that we know what's in this blend, let's talk about how to make it. It's really simple. You just mix the following ingredients together. 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of clove, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of anise, half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Once you've mixed them together, store the blend in a glass jar. Keep it in a cool, dry place to preserve its freshness. Now, how can you use this Four Seasons Healing Spice Blend? There are many ways. One of the easiest ways is to make a tea. Simply add 1 teaspoon of the blend to a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 5–10 minutes. Then strain and enjoy. You can drink this tea every day to support your immune system and improve digestion. Another way to use the blend is in smoothies or yogurt. Add 1 teaspoon of the spice blend to your morning smoothie for a health boost. You can also sprinkle it on top of your yogurt or oatmeal for added flavor. It's an easy way to add extra nutrients to your meals. You can also use the blend in cooking. Sprinkle it on your soups, stews, or roasted vegetables. It adds a delicious, warming flavor to your dishes. Plus, you'll be getting all the health benefits from the spices. Remember, this blend is not only for the cold winter months. It's perfect for every season. In the spring, it can help with detoxing your body after the long winter. In the summer, it can support your digestion and keep you feeling light. In the fall, it will help prepare your body for the colder months ahead. And in the winter, it will keep your immune system strong. This Four Seasons Healing Spice Blend is a great addition to your daily routine. It's simple to make, easy to use, and full of health benefits. You can keep it on hand in your kitchen and add it to your meals whenever you like. It's a natural way to support your body's health throughout the year. So why not give it a try? Make this blend at home and see how it makes you feel. I'm sure you'll love it. And don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. Everyone can benefit from this powerful spice blend. Thank you for watching and learning with me today. Make sure to subscribe to the Herbalist channel for more natural health tips and recipes. See you next time.